Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. This is your Sapna teacher. So let's begin with the session, children. Today's subject is English grammar and the topic is verbs. Children, this topic we have already done in our previous session. Do you remember, children? Verbs? Yes? So that was video 1 and this is video 2. Okay? So are you ready for the session, children? Yes? Great. Children, first I will take a recap of what we have done in our previous session. Clear? See this sentence? Words like jump, run, bend, stomp, clap, walk, sleep, dance, sing, play, swim, hop, laugh, etc. are action words. Now all these words are called action words. Okay? See this sentence? These actions are done by a person, an animal or a thing. That means all this above action are done by a person, an animal or a thing. Okay? Let's see some example. Boys walk. Walk is an action word. Eggs break. Break is an action word. Plants grow. Grow is an action word. Children play. Play is an action word. They walk. Walk is an action word. So these are some example. Okay? Next. Continue with the recap. Now see this sentence. Words that show actions are called doing words. Doing means something what you are doing. Okay? It can be anything. Now you all are studying. So you are doing some kind of action. Writing or reading or listening. Yes? I am teaching you. So teaching is again an action. If you are eating something, you are doing some action. Sleeping, it's an action. Running, walking, it's an action. Right? So all these action words or doing words, they are called verbs. Clear? Action words are called verbs. See this girl? She is throwing a ball. Dog is barking. Boy is swimming. Old man is sitting. Woman is baking cake. So this all pictures what you can see here, some person, animal, they are doing some kind of action. It is called verbs. Clear? Next. Children, I have done with recap session. Now, today you are going to learn new topic in this lesson. Now let's see what is the topic. Let's learn when the action is done by one thing, an animal or a person, a singular noun, the action word is used with S or ES. What is the meaning of this sentence, children? Do you remember about a singular noun? Yes, children. Singular noun means one thing, one animal, one person. I hope you remember this. Yes? So, when one person, one animal, or one thing does any kind of action, okay? So, in the action word, you have to use S or ES in the end of the action word. I am repeating the meaning again. Listen it carefully. Okay? Listen. When one person, one thing, one animal does any kind of action, so what you are going to do? While writing the action word, you have to use S or ES in the end of the word, action word. I will show you some example. See the example. A child plays. A teacher teaches. Now two sentences I have put up here. A child plays. Now child is one boy, one girl. Right? And that child playing. A child plays. Can you see? P-L-A-Y-S. I have used S in the end of the action word. A child plays. There is only one person. A teacher teaches. Teacher is only one person. Right? A teacher teaches. Now see the word teaches. T-E-A-C-H-E-S. E-S. I have used in the end of the word, that is teaches. So again I am repeating the same thing. When there is one thing, one animal, one person, when you are writing the action word, you have to use S or ES in the end of the action word. It's clear now? Yes? I will give you some more examples later on. Okay? I will send you worksheet for this so that you can solve it. You will get to know when to use S and when to use ES. Clear? Next. Let's learn. Now see this sentence, children. When many things, animals or people, plural nouns, do the action word is used without S or ES. Let me explain you the meaning. When there are many things, many animals or many people, many means more than one, and when they do the action, you don't have to use S or ES in the end of the action word. I will repeat once again. When there are many things, many animals, many people, and when they do the action, you don't have to use S or ES in the end of the action word. Clear? I will show you some example. See this. Children play. Teachers teach. Now, children play. Can you see this picture? More than one children are there. Many children are there. So, see the word play. I have not used S or ES in this action word because there are many children. See this picture? Teachers teach. Now teachers. There are many teachers. Teach. Again see the word teach. I have not used S or ES in the action word. Clear? So, many things, many animals, many people, when do the action, you don't have to use S or ES. Clear? I am going to send worksheet for this also, so that you can solve it and your concept will get clear. For singular noun, you have to use S or ES. For plural noun, you don't have to use S or ES. Clear, children? Now, I will continue this same topic in the next session also. I hope you understood today's topic, what I have taught you, explained you. Clear? So children, till then, bye, take care, and God bless you.